to another professional prep video. In today's video, we will be talking about for loops, which are very similar to our previous video, which was about while loops. Basically, for loops are a type of loop that keeps on going while a condition is true. They are very important in Java, like while loops, and they are used in many different situations. One example which I used in my last video was driving your car until you see a red light. Basically, the loop keeps on going while a condition is true, and then once the condition is false, then it stops. So now I'm going to show you quickly how to code a while loop, so then you can make a for loop from there. So you have your loop control variable, so we'll set that equal to 0. And then you have the while loop, and then you have to have the condition per se that needs to be met. In Java terms, this is called the loop entry condition. So and then inside here, we need to know how many times it prints out. So let's just do system.out.println. Just to print the word print. And then next line, we need an incrementer. So I'm going to do condition ++. So this is pretty much how you set up a while loop. So if you run this, it should say the word print 5 times. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, yep. So now let's talk about how to create a for loop. All right. So very similar to a while loop, a for loop needs a loop control variable, a loop entry condition, and an incrementer. This is loop control variable, by the way. All right, so we have the word for, then we have the loop control variable, so int condition equals 0, then we have a semicolon, and then we have the loop entry condition, so condition is less than 5, then we have another semicolon, and then we put our incrementer in, so condition ++. And then we have the open curly brace and the closing curly brace, and inside we'll have the system.out.println, and then we'll have the word print like last time. This is because I have an extra brace. All right, so see, as it prints 5 times. So one thing, or you have to know, or the format, I guess, of a for loop is you have let me put a comment right here. All right, so you have the word for, then you have LCV, loop control variable, semicolon, loop entry condition, LEC, and then you need to have the incrementer, and then open curly brace, then a closing curly brace, and inside the open and closing curly brace, you have like a print statement or whatever you want the loop to do. So that's pretty much how you do for loops. Please check out our last video about while loops. I talk about the importance about the loop control variable and incrementer. So if you're really uncertain about that, the last video will surely help you out. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below or send us an email. Also, if you have any videos you want to have in the future, let us know and we'll be happy to make them for you. Other than that, thank you and have a good day.